Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Tristan Reacts with another video. This one is a request from @Akkarik7406, and he's requested that I do another Aha song live in South America, and this song is called Rolling Thunder. Let's get into this.
I guess for it to be a lifestyle that you enjoy, you have to be able to let the audience give you something as well as you giving the audience something. In order to deserve it, you're supposed to really enjoy it.
The man can hit some high notes, that's for sure. Wow. Kind of a interesting video. I would have thought it was going to be more of him being live on the stage, but not yet. Let's keep going.
I remember driving in the rain at night, almost hitting that bus. I remember Terry freaking out. I remember the truck stopped in the middle of nowhere with the old guy with the green cap that said Aha. I remember the bootleg tapes. It's the only time I've ever bought an Aha album. It was like I couldn't recognize my own name. It was good. I still got that tape. It doesn't sound too great. I seem to remember some drink called caipirinhas. I had one or two.
So that was pretty cool. Kind of like a little bit of a story in the beginning, just kind of cool. And then now, of course, we're kicking into more of the concert itself, but that's kind of a cool concept to kind of do a little bit of, like him picking up a bootleg CD of himself and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. All right, that was Aha doing their song Rolling Thunder live at the South America tour in 1991. And that was a very pretty song. I mean, that was just kind of a very soothing type of song. So that was pretty cool. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. And of course, if you've got any requests, please also put those down in the comments section so that way I can add them to our ever-growing list. All I ask is please be patient with me as I try and work my way down this list. It may take a minute, but I will get to your song eventually. And I will put a link to this video down below in the description area so that way if you'd like to go back and take another look at this video, you can do that. Please make sure we continue to support these artists, again, whether we're buying their music, watching their videos, listening to their music, buying their merchandise, whatever it is that we do, please continue to do that so that these artists can continue to give us great music. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon down below. That way you'll be notified each and every time that I drop a new video. I try and drop at least 4 videos a day now, 2 in the afternoon at noon and 2 in the evening at midnight, Central Standard Time here in the United States. So hopefully that'll help you to figure out what time that is in your neck of the woods. And as always, to you guys, thank you so, so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you for your absolute support and your comments and just everything you do for this channel. Thank you so, so much. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet, it's super simple. All you got to do is hit that little subscribe button down below. And of course, always hit that little bell icon so that way you're notified each and every time that I drop a new video. And of course, we would love to have you in the TR family. So come on aboard. And as always, peace out. I love you all. Catch you next time.